Alright, I'm going to continue on with some more database features. I'm going to do the desumming function with this file. So this is a DSUM video companion file if you want to open it up. Again, it's a classic Excel database, one row for the field headings, and one record on one row. So this is a bakery database keeping track of what products were sold by month and then what the sale price is. A very simple database, but they all work the same way, no matter how big they are. You can have up to 256 fields or columns in a database, over 1 million records. Here it's not that big. But somebody wants a quick report. What did we sell of cookies in this database? What did we sell brownies in January? So a DSUM function allows you to do a database summing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these field headings over to the right someplace. So copy, make sure it doesn't touch the database. So I'm going to go over here in, like, say E1. So make sure I got a blank column here in D that keeps the database separate. I'm going to paste these field headings over here. Oh, a little thing. What I want to do is get rid of all the formats on this these headings here, so I don't confuse myself with the database. So I'm going to go select this on the Home tab, this clear button, and clear the formats only because I want to keep the field headings. And let's say I'm going to my first DSUM, I want to find all the cakes sold. So I'm going to do a quick copy and put cakes just below product. I'm going to color code these cells. This is called the criteria range. Basically, this is the filter I have for this database, this DSUM function. I'm going to use these headings, use cakes, but again I want to sum up all the sales for cakes. So I'm just going to put this label in DSUM, and then over here to the right, I'm going to throw in my function. So it's formulas. And if you haven't used it recently, you can always hit the Insert Function button. And then the category I can choose is Database. There's a whole slew of these things. We're just going to do the DSUM. Hit OK. And you can see there's 3 parts to this function. The database itself, the field we want to sum up, which is the sales field, and then the criteria. Again, I only want to sum up for the product cakes. So database first, I got to include the field heading. So I'm going to go here A3 over and down, highlight this whole database. Hopefully it's not too long. There it goes. Fine. I'm going to click on my field column. I'm going to scroll back up, and the field, which field do I want to sum up? I want to sum up this sales field. So I just click on the specific cell because the machine assumes that row A3 is our field headings, and that's the field I want to actually sum up. The sales column, the sales field. And then the criteria, the filter. I'm just going to highlight these cells and I made yellow. 2 rows at least. Again, here it's E1 to G2. And there I'm done. I can see right here it's 8,732. So summing up with a filter. Hit OK. There's my information going in. I'm just going to go make it a $sign. Take off my decimal places. And the nice things with this, if I don't want to see cakes, if I delete this out, somebody calls me up, wants to see what are all the February numbers. So I can't spell February, so I'm just going to copy it from here and paste it up in here because it's got to be spelled exactly. And then once I have February in there, there's my number. Notice because I copy and pasted, I lost my nice yellow and line. So I'm going to use another quick feature. I'm going to do my copy the formats from this cell over to the left. So on the Home tab, that's what this brush is for, the Format Painter, and brush it over here so it all looks nice. If I want to see what I sold of February pies, I can click over here. I can just type in pies because I can spell that. Doesn't matter uppercase or lowercase. Enter. And there's my total sum for February pies. It's a nice quick filter, this DSUM, to find specific data I want to sum up, right, with sum filter. Fine. Try it out. It's not that hard.